So, from a legal standpoint, what are some things that sellers can prepare for before listing their house on the market?
So sellers need to make sure if any succession work needs to be done, that needs to be taken care of immediately. They need to have the succession opened. If an executor or administrator needs to be appointed, they need to have them appointed as well. And if any court approval is needed to sell the property, you need to go ahead and get that ball rolling and get that process started.
What type of things would you need court approval for?
If the executor or the administrator of the succession isn't independent, then they would have to go get court approval to sell the property. Or if all the heirs have been put into possession of the property, but let's say one of the heirs is a minor, you have to go get the judge's authority to sell the property on behalf of the minor. Also, sellers need to know if they've got judgments or liens out there so they can be prepared to pay those off at closing because those have to be taken care of. Because sometimes sellers get surprised. They don't understand that they do attach to your property if they're filed in the public record, and they do have to be paid off at closing. So it really just gives them a good understanding of how much they can expect to get back in their proceeds from the sale. Particularly HOA liens, you need to go get those paid off. You don't want to let those sit there and accrue any kind of interest or anything like that.
That's true.